Falcon T1 Engraver Laser Module Replacement Guide. Method 1. Quick Release Mode. Press and hold the power button for 3 seconds until the indicator flashes. After the laser module is raised, replace the laser module. Press the round unlock button on the top while holding the handle at the rear of the laser module. Pull the laser module straight out. Insert the replacement laser module into the slot. When the round lock button pops back with a click, the module is securely locked in place. Alternatively, you can tap the Replace Module icon on the home page and follow the on-screen instructions to replace the module without powering off. Method 2. Standard Replacement. Press the Home button to return the Z-axis to the home position. Once homing is complete, power off the machine. Then follow the previous module replacement steps to complete the process. Also note, when not in module replacement mode, the top button cannot be pressed down. That's all for today's tutorial. Thank you for watching.